Right, third grade. So this is one of the things that we have been working on, and this is why I've said to you, it is so important to know your multiplication facts, because today we're going to use them in a different way than we have before. So if you can know, so far we're supposed to know which multiplication tables are we supposed to know by now? Our twos and our threes. Well, 0 through 3, but definitely our twos and threes, because zeros and ones we figured yesterday and the day before, they're super easy. So we are learning now how to multiply digits on the top with our multiplication on the bottom. So this is very important that we are practicing this carefully. We will multiply, Aaliyah, look here, leave your hair, both digits in the top factor by the bottom factor. Okay, but there's a way that we do it. Liam, put that, all of that away. I'm not sure what's on your desk, but put that away.
Never mind.
Yes, sir, because you need to be looking up here with nothing on your desk. So we're going to multiply both digits in the top by the digit on the bottom. When we add or subtract, we always begin in which place? We always begin in the ones place. Very good, Ella. We do the same thing in multiplication. We always start in the ones place. Start by multiplying the bottom factor times the digit in the ones place of the top factor. That's what we're going to do. So the very first thing is multiply the bottom times the top factor. 2 times 4. Look here, pay attention. So we put our answer in the ones place underneath. Now this is the next thing. Liam, put the paper just inside your desk. There shouldn't be anything extra. Then after we've done that, we still have another number in our tens place. So we still have to multiply that number. We can't just leave it by itself. So we have to now multiply that bottom number times the tens place. Okay? So we already did times the ones place, 2 times 4. Now we go across. 2 times 2. And what is 2 times 2?
4.
It equals 4. So 24 times 2 is 48. Well, guess what, third grade? We can check it and see and realize how easy it is that it is true. What is 4 plus 4?
8.
And what is 2 plus 2?
4.
So if I have 24 2 times, it equals what 24 times 2 is.
48.
Okay? Simple. But you have to know your tables. This is what I was telling you, okay? If you don't know your 3 table or your 2 table, it's going to be a little bit harder for you. All right, so the next one. When we look at our multiplication problem, sit up, guys. When we look at our multiplication problem, where do we start? Ones place. Good, Elia. We start at the bottom, go to the top. 3 times 2 equals?
6.
Oh, I hear just Elia. I need to hear more. Okay. 3 times 2 is 6. And then what do we have to do next? Oh, Aaliyah, what do I need to do now?
3 times 0?
No, not times 0. What do I do next? What did I do over here? This 3 on the bottom needs to be multiplied by
3.
my other 3. You have to do both of these numbers on the top. Ben, look up here. Times the number on the bottom. So that 3 now is multiplied by my tens place.
9.
So 3 times 3 equals 9. I put it down and we're done with the problem.
96.
Okay? Same thing here. Come down to the bottom numbers and we're going to do the same exact thing. So I'm showing you 4 different times. So if your eyes are up here and you're looking right at me, then you'll know easily how to do this on your paper. When I look at my 31 times 2, I don't know how to do 31 times 2, Miss Monroe. We didn't learn a 31 table. Whoa. We need to make sure that I don't know how to figure out with, 31 times 2. We only did to 12. You didn't do to 31, third grade, Miss Monroe. Right, but I didn't need to go to 31 because we can break it down. Remember, so many things in our arithmetic, we just break them down to make it easier. So the way that we break it down is to remember to multiply both the numbers on the top times my ones place, but I start at the bottom, multiply by my ones place. Don't start with the 3 times 2. You can't start with the tens place. You will have to start with the ones place. So what 2 numbers are in my ones place?
1 and 2.
My 2 and my 1. So what is it, Ben?
2. 2 and my 1.
Which I multiplied to equal
2.
2. Very good. So I multiplied my ones digit by my 2. Now what do I need to do, Lily?
You need to 2 times 3.
Now I need to multiply my tens digit. Very good. I need to multiply my tens digit by my 2. I haven't done that yet. 2 times 3 equals
6.
and I put my answer underneath and I'm done. Simple,
Yeah,
right?
so easy.
Okay, one more time to get it down, okay? Super, super simple. We always start in the ones place. So it doesn't matter that we don't know a 23 multiplication table. All you have to know is what 1 times 3 and 1 times 2 are. But all that we do, Tyler, sit and don't talk. So I start in my ones place. I simply multiply my bottom times my top. 1 times 3 equals
3.
and then I multiply my bottom number times my tens place. 1 times 2 equals 2. Plus, we already know that anything times 1 is always that other number. It's always that other number. So that one would be a definite easy one to get. But doesn't matter if it's 3s, 2s, 1s, you're still going to follow the same pattern. You multiply the ones place, bottom to the top. You multiply the tens place, bottom to the top. Are we understanding?
Yeah.
Okay, because that's what we're going to do on our page. So if you don't understand or you're struggling, ask me now so I can show you again. But all you take is your ones place, your 3, multiply it times your ones place on the top, your 2. Aaliyah, Ben, look up here. And then we take our bottom number 3 and we multiply it by our tens place. And we put the answer in the tens place. Pretty simple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? All right, so show me that you can do it. All right, hopefully this helps parents and students. So you're going to watch this. You guys are going to watch this. If you get stuck, you're going to be able to, I'm going to say, oh, Mom and Dad, guess what? It's on video. You can catch it. All right, see ya.